You guessed it, we're back with another switch from the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar, door number 16. Okay, well that's pretty lame. This is a joke that we already said earlier in this Advent calendar. So this is another very popular and well-known switch. It's the Cherry MX Blue. It has a 60-gram spring, and of course, as you know, it's a clicky switch. So this is very popular in office spaces and pre-built keyboards that come with Cherry MX Blue switches. And this is that switch. A lot louder than I was expecting. Let me know what your thoughts are. Until tomorrow, you have a good one.